It's not always easy to know you're getting the right lamp holder before you buy it. In this video, I will explain what this lamp holder is best used for, how to use it, the shade rings, the finishes and more. Watching this, you'll get everything you need to know to make an informed purchase decision.
I'm Laurie Smith and I've worked here at Lampfix since 1998. Today I'm going to show you our metal ES lamp holder, where it's best used and how.
So here is the lamp holder and this is how it arrives. So to start with, we'll disassemble. So unscrew anti-clockwise and we put the skirt down. Then we take the insert, which is quite a tight fit due to the earth clips, and then the base. If somehow in transit the lamp holder has locked itself together, see the generic video on our website of how to undo the locking mechanism. Our first task is to fit the base. So we take the base, notice it's got a locking screw that should be fully out, and we wind the base on until it's tight on the thread, and then we take a slotted screwdriver and tighten down the locking screw. This is very important that this is locked in, as it prevents the lamp holder moving and locks it onto the thread. Now it's time to make the connections. I've prepared the cables, I've stripped back, so we've got 30mm of inner core cable and stripped back the lengths to 6mm, and I've tinned them, wiring the live, which is the brown wire, to the centre pin of the lamp holder and tighten down gently. Next I'll do the earth pin, that's to the centre terminal, and finally the neutral. Next, I align these indentations on the plastic lamp holder there with the indentations on the casing. Slide it in and just check that it can't move, and we'll go on now with screwing on the skirt. I tend to hold the centre pin down, slide the skirt over my finger. When it's sitting nicely, wind it down and you'll hear the click as the locking mechanism locks the thread in place, and that holds it firmly. Now this lamp holder has the threaded skirt, so you are able to fit a shade. So we take the ES shade ring and wind the first one on facing up, and then use a shade. Now the shade you're using must have a 40mm diameter hole. It won't take the British lamp holder, which is 29mm. And then I use the second shade ring to firmly hold it in place. So these lamp holders come in a variety of colours. We've got antique brass, polished brass, black nickel, flat black, nickel, copper and chrome. We do have some other alternatives to our 10mm lamp holders. So first of all, we have the black plastic Edison screw lamp holder with the 10mm thread entry, or else we have the more expensive solid brass lamp holder Edison screw with a ceramic insert, and again with a 10mm entry.
If this is right for you, you can purchase this lamp holder on this page by selecting the finish of your choice. If it's not right for you, why not browse our other thread mounting lamp holders in the category? If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.